Diego, top rated in California. Oh, my bad, leak. I go live twice a day, man, 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Pacific time. Come on here, just answer people's credit questions. We go over a whole bunch of different stuff. Mondays are business. Wednesdays are business Wednesdays, man. Sorry, my head's still on them calls I just got off of, bro. Thoughts on bankruptcy? No, bro. Bankruptcy. I don't know why it's such a high talked about topic right now, but that's not just some tool just to yeah. If you really need it, talk to that attorney. If you really need to do it, then do it. But people are trying to file bankruptcy when they $1,000 in debt. It's like, bro, what? What is going on? All right. Yes, sir. Facebook, Instagram, what's good? Y'all can drop them comments in the chat. TikTok, you already know. Drop them comments in the chat, y'all. Let's get it. How long will it take to get business funding after you've already answered that? Can you get approved for credit card if you got a repo? Um, yeah, you can, but not the good ones. Not the good ones. You need to build up your credit profile as you're disputing that repo off your report. All right. I had a repo last week. How can I fix it? Michelle, you want to do it yourself or you want us to do it? Michelle. So you say CPN is fraud? 100%. 100%. 100%. There a CPN is 100% fraud. 100% fraud. 100%. There's no other no. On Instagram, quick question. My credit is so bad because of all the closed accounts and charge offs. Do you think you can fix that? Yeah, K Nunez, that's work. That's work. Shoot me a DM, schedule a free call. Let's get it. We get charge offs removed all the time. Let's get it. I'm gonna have them hit you up. Yeah, hit me. However, all right, yeah. So for repos, this is the repo process that we use. There's some other ways to do it too, but this is just the easiest way for a consumer. Um, It's just the easiest way to explain too. There's a bunch of other ways too, but for a repo, okay. So when they repo your car, right? They usually sell it in the auction, right? If you don't get the car back, okay, after 30, 60 days, whatever it is. When they sell it in the auction, okay, they're supposed to the lender gets paid, right? So say that the car was 20K. They sold it in the auction for 10K. All right. 20 minus 10 is 10K. So 10K is supposed to be reporting on your credit report, not the full 20. Right. So we reach out to the repo company, or even the auction company if we need to sometimes. We tell them our name, we tell them the VIN number, and we want to get a bill of sale or a receipt that pretty much shows how much they sold it for, and that's going to be our documentation, right? So we're going to use that. We'll get our credit report. We're going to find the inaccuracy on that account, and we're going to dispute it. We're going to send all that stuff in, right? There's a couple other steps in between, but that's pretty much the gist of it. All right, that process can take a month to 6 months, right? Just depends on if they respond. Depends on yeah, depends on the lender. Depends on the credit. There's a whole bunch of different factors. Right, but then we can go to 1099-C route too. There's a bunch of different ways to do it. Promissory note route. There's a bunch of different ways to dispute those repos, but that's just the easiest way that I like to explain to consumers. All right. The tactics used is not above board facts. And you're telling me that when you go and apply for funding, that's not fraud? Bro, hold up. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me hold on. Let me change this background real quick. Hold on. So I can see these comments. Hold on. All right, hold up. There we go. All right, let's go. Okay. So you're telling me when you go and apply for funding, it's not fraud, bro? You live in America, bro. So whatever. All the stuff that I think you're about to try to bring up, hold on. All the stuff that you think that I think you're trying to bring up, bro, I'm well versed. Come on, bro. I'm well versed. We live in America, though, bro. We got to learn how to play the rules so we can beat them. It's simple as that. Come on, man. I'm in the same boat as Michelle. I have a phone call set up with you guys tomorrow. Let's get it. According to the Emergency Banking Act, there is no money. Oh, that's true. That's true. Yep. But you know how long that process is to try to prove all that, bro? That'll take, yeah, that'll take years, man. People really don't, yeah. People really don't tell you all the nuances and everything that you have to go through. All right, becoming a sovereign citizen and getting your license plates and blah blah blah, bruh. You know how long that shit takes, and you know how much they, bro. We're already black, bro. You know how much they're gonna harass you more. Okay, what they don't show you about all that stuff is how much they're harassed, how many of them end up missing, how many of them die, that kind of stuff. They don't tell you about that type of stuff either. So why you want to do all that extra shit? The credit game is easy. We can fix our credit in a couple months and we can win. Like, why you want to make it more difficult? Tripping. You telling people to go to the bank and get money when there is no money, but you say CPN is fraud. CPN is still fraud, bro. Yeah, come on, man. How long does it take to start seeing change? I've been with you guys 8 months. Ashley Ann, you've been with us 8 months? What's your last name, Ashley? I'll look it up right now. If you haven't gotten any results in 8 months, then that doesn't make sense. You would have been asked for a refund already. Don't do that. do you have do you have paid credit companies that charge off the account or can remove it the other way? Yeah, we find inaccuracies and we dispute. We can go to 1099-C route. We can do Metro 2 route. We can do yeah, there's a whole bunch of different ways to dispute, bro. Episode 2 of Winning Dispute Wednesday. I'm weak. We live in America. I tender bills every month. You sound fearful. You obviously don't understand the US commercial code game. Whatever, bro. Hey, you do that. All right. I'm gonna do this. Okay. You do your thing, I'm gonna do my thing. Right? You own my life. Let's go. Man, I found something on my credit report, called the lender, and the lender denied it. Pipeline bill. What'd you find? What'd you find on your report? Ashley is a troll. No way she paid almost 1K to now and never asked any questions. That's facts. That doesn't make sense, Ashley. That'll make sense. Ashley, if you're actually a client and you've been with us 8 months, shoot me a DM and we'll get it settled. Okay. But that doesn't make sense. I've been with the Credit King 2 months and my credit is going crazy. One day up, 60, next day. I've been with the Credit King. Pipeline bill. DM me your name, Pipeline bill. You've been with us for 2 months. Pipeline bill. DM me your name. DM me your info and I'll check it out right now. Because if you were with us, okay. If you were with us, you shouldn't be calling or anything anyways. We do all that. Yeah, but why are you calling the bureaus, bro? We do that. And you should know that. There you go. You got mad. So now you're not listening. Okay. So now when you call, you're gonna say something incorrect. Yeah, you're gonna say something incorrect They're gonna put a fraud alert on your shit, and now it's gonna be all messed up. All right, let us do that. Let us handle everything, bro. That's what you paying for. You paying to kick your feet up. Hey, hey, you paying to kick your feet up and relax. Go ahead and relax. Let's go. Late 30 days, 150. My payment was 750 monthly. Late 30 days, 150. Okay, so you were late. 750. Can I fight it? I got a repo now. They want me to pay. Michelle, shoot me a DM and explain what you're trying to say. Because if you were late one time, they wouldn't repo your car. That's not how that works. And if you made a partial payment, they wouldn't just come repo your car if you're I late 150 my payment. So you paid 600, you had a $150 balance and they repoed your car for your first late payment ever? That don't sound right. But shoot me a DM. Let's get it right. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? If we got to call them and see what's going on with all that shit, we'll do it. Let's go. Yeah, we can't allow that. That's crazy. All right, hold on. Let me check Facebook real quick. Yes, sir. Instagram. What's good? What's good, IG? Drop y'all questions in the chat. I got a referral bonus from Capital One. Now my current balance says -0. Hey, let's go. It shouldn't say -0. It should say 600 out of 5 or whatever your credit balance is. So if your credit balance is 500, it should say you got 600 available out of 500. Right? I've been with King 2 days and my credit went from 301 to 850. I'm weak. Hey, that's cap. Hey, look. Hey, I call cap both ways. Both ways. I remember I had one lady trying to help me out. Um, she was like, they got my score up to a to a 750 in 15 days. I said, look, that's kind of true, but she made it sound way better than it actually was though. She was already at like a 690 or something. Right? We got one charge off removed and she added rent reporters. So she went from a 690 to like 715 and her score refreshed. You know what I'm saying? So she made it seem, hey, she made it seem like we didn't turn her to a 400 to a 800 in 15 days. I said, don't do that. Don't see now people gonna be thinking that's what we doing. Okay. We getting people right for sure, but um yeah, I don't want people having unrealistic expectations. Okay, let's get it. I'll call myself out too, bro. I'll call myself out quick. All right, man, let's go. It is Business Wednesday, man. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Let me put this graphic back up. Let me put this graphic back up. Where is it at? Right here. All right. Put the graphic back up for y'all. All right, man. I had some people reach out earlier after the live. Okay, I looked at their credit reports and they didn't qualify. Okay. Um, and they decided to fix their own credit, which is cool too. Right? They'll be back in a couple months, hopefully. But if you don't qualify, you guys, this isn't just for us. This is for any of the funding people, business credit people that you see on here. These are going to be the basic qualifications. All right. The only difference is they're going to make you get on the phone, send your credit report over to them, and blah blah blah. You can skip all that. These are the requirements. Okay. If you have a late payment within the last 2 years, you're going to get auto denied. All right. If you got 10 inquiries in the last 2 months, you're gonna get auto denied. If you got any collections, charge-offs, bankruptcies, repos, evictions, child support, anything like that, you're gonna get auto denied. Okay. Now, the wiggle room is right here. Okay. The wiggle room is right here. I haven't seen anybody get denied if they had all this stuff with that 720 plus. But if you got that 680, that between that 680 and that 720, that FICO 8, um, some people actually still get the full 150, right? Actually, like 175 ish. But if you fall between that, don't expect to get the full amount, right? You might get you a little 75 piece or something like that. Okay. But you guys, this goes for all the business credit, whatever they're trying to trick you on, whatever it is. Okay. These are going to be the requirements. Don't let them lie to you. Don't let them say, if you got a 580 credit score, we can get you approved. No, they can't. Okay. They're going to try to get you an MCA. An MCA is a merchant cash advance. Okay. That's what they're going to try to do. All right. Don't fall for it. I fell for that a couple times in the past. Okay. Don't fall for it. Now, if you have good deposits and everything, good daily deposits, you're making good money, a MCA might be good for you. A merchant cash advance might be good for you. You know what I'm saying? A merchant cash advance is when they look at your daily deposits, your monthly deposits, your income, and then they approve you on a loan amount from that amount, right? So if you're making like 30K a month, you might get approved for 20K and have to pay back 30K. You know what I'm saying? The interest rates are crazy. You know what I'm saying? But if you need those funds for payroll, for marketing, whatever you need them for, if you need a quick cash infusion, then you can do the MCA. Just be careful. Read all the terms and conditions. Okay. And this is just for business credit, you guys. Okay. To get business credit with any bank, you're gonna need good personal credit. All right. Good personal credit. So don't let nobody lie to you. Okay. And I'm currently going through the SBA process right now. Okay. That the SBA process is a lengthy process too, man. It's a lot more difficult than this too. A lot more difficult. For the SBA or for a term loan from a bank or anything like that, you're going to, like I told you earlier, right? You're going to need um your 2022, 2023 business taxes and personal taxes. You're going to need the profit and loss statement and balance sheet from 2023, the year to date P&L and balance sheet for 2024, um, voided check or bank verification letter, valid driver's license, and 6 months of bank statements. And for the term loan, you have to be making at least 20K plus, at least 20K plus for the term loan. Okay, and you got to have a decent credit score too. All right. I'm trying to sign up for y'all credit repair, but I don't want to do the work. Which one do I click? Theodore, you DM me the word king. Or when you hit the link in my bio, the first one says schedule a consultation. So shoot me a DM or click the link in the bio and it says schedule a consultation. Nah, they can just take my word for it. I'm weak. Yes, sir. Uh-oh, hold on. Never mind. Oh, somebody got arrested at the beach. All right, man, let's get it. Y'all can drop them questions in the chat, y'all. Let me check IG. Yes, sir. He said, thought that was outside. Yeah, yeah, bro. I live like 3 blocks from the beach, man. So it'd be a lot of commotion at the beach, bro. Yeah, a lot of commotion at the beach, man. People be going crazy over there. But yeah, living by the water is nice. Living by the water is nice. All right, man, let's go. Let me switch this up real quick. Yes, sir. Everything I show is real results, y'all. Y'all can check out the page, check out Google, check out all the reviews, check out all the testimonials. All right. Each day I go live twice a day, 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Pacific time. Every day I try to cover like a little different topic. You know, Money Mondays teach you how to turn credit to cash. Credit Tip Tuesday, we try to go over some disputing stuff or something like that. A lot of Q&A. Business Wednesdays, we try to focus on some business stuff, but there's still, credit Q&A. Thursday's kind of a recap. Free Game Friday, I try to have some people come up here and ask questions and, maybe do a live consultation or two. And then Saturday and Sundays, I try to go live once at 11 a.m. Pacific time, right? Just answer people's questions. Yes, sir. I'm a current client. My son is interested in joining. Are you running any sign up promotions? No sign up promotions right now, but you'll get $50 though, referral bonus. Yep. You'll get 50 referral bonus. So once he signs up after his first update, we'll send you 50. Right. So that's our referral bonuses, you guys. If you guys send us over somebody and they sign up after their first update, we send you money. It's that simple. Okay.
TikTok can be so simple. When you make content about trending topics, TikTok pushes that content out for more views. So here's a content opportunity and a very hot trending topic right now that I would jump on. This creator behind me started the trend that you've probably seen on your For You page.
What the hell? My screen just froze. My screen just froze. Can y'all hear me? That was weird. I'm trying to get an 850. Kind of confused on how to do it. What's it to get an 850, man? You're going to need a mortgage account. You're going to need a mortgage account. But you got a mortgage, a car, couple credit cards, 7+ years of age, probably more than that, probably like 8 or 9 years of age. No negatives, no late payments, minimal inquiries, utilization at 1%. That's an 850 right there. I pay car insurance with my debit. Okay. But yeah, man, an 850 is not some easy task, right? 850 is not some easy task, man. Like that's not super easy to do. IG, y'all can drop y'all questions in the chat. Drop y'all questions in the chat. It's kind of dry on Instagram, but TikTok always jumping. Lenders don't like an 850. What? I'm saying you don't need an 850. But if you got an 850, that's a super that's yeah. Yeah, lender like an 850. But you don't need an 850 though, because it doesn't show enough debt to income ratio. I heard. No. Mm-mm. Yeah. You're not gonna get penalized for being perfect. But people think you need an 850 to get approved for what you want to get approved for. You don't. Honestly. Honestly, if you got a 720, 10 plus accounts, 5, 6 years of age, low utilization, a couple few inquiries, no negatives, of course. 100% payment history. You can get approved for pretty much you want to get approved for. So the scammers was lying to me. You better stop listening to them scammers, man. The scammers going Hey, those scammers gonna lie to you every time. Hey man, I can't believe that dude was on here talking about using a CPN, which is a number, a computer generated number, or it's a number from a kid or a deceased person, that's not fraud. People will just say anything, man. People will literally say anything. Can I pay your company to remove all my inquiries? That's the only thing I need. Let's get it. Let's get it. Even though I would prefer you to, for just for inquiries, I would prefer you to do it yourself. But if you don't care, we'll take care of it for you. Lil A, just DM me the word king. Set up a free call. Let's get it. Let's get it. They kick me out their lives when I speak the truth. I'm weak. And what's crazy is a scammer really think that like what they're doing is okay. Like a scammer will argue with you that a CPN is legal. Hola, what's up? What's up? Nahuel, what was it? Nahuel, Nahuel, what's up, man? If you're a Spanish speaker, bro, we got you. We got you. Spanish speakers, we got y'all. We got Andrea. That's our bilingual person that works on the staff, man. We got you. Okay. This the most I've heard you talk about CPNs in forever. Bro, because I just got a couple DMs that people, it's always the same stuff, man. People don't listen. People don't listen. Oh, I've been following you for 2 years. Thank you for all the gems. I fell on some trouble and I saw someone was selling a CPN package and I bought it. And then everything was all good. But then my bank account got shut down and I got kicked out of my apartment and all the accounts were closed. Can you help me out? Bro, it's the same thing every time. Oh, I went with this company and um this is the same story I hear every day, yo. I went with this company and it's always the same few companies too. I went with this company and the first month everything came off my credit. Okay. The first month everything came off my credit. I was so happy. And then 3 months later, everything popped back up on my credit. Can you help me? No. You're on your own, scammer. Let's go. Noel, hablas español. Piquito, Piquito, Piquito. Me employee. Me, me employees. Hablas español. DM El King. DM El Kingo. We'll get you right. I have a friend. I'm trying to tell her to get away from that CPN. No, at some point they don't listen. So look at sometimes, bro. People have to go through the trouble so they can learn on their own. You can only tell somebody so many times to stop. It's like, all right, bro, go ahead, go ahead, bro, go do your thing. Not the shut down bank account, bro. It's always the same. Please understand, guys. It's never came off. It was just suppressed. Facts. They don't want to hear that though. They don't want to hear that when you go on Credit Karma and say, "Hey, this account was my identity theft," right? They don't understand that the accounts are suppressed; they're not deleted. Okay, so then a couple months later, when that stuff popped back up on your report, and that person that was fixing your credit, now they're not answering the phone, right? Because you paid them Cash App too. So you can't go to your bank and say, "Hey, this was a fraudulent charge. I never got the services, whatever it is. You can't, they not sending you no refund. They 100% not sending you no refund. Okay. So, yeah, but now, ooh, bro, we got you. My man on Instagram. Just shoot me a DM and Andrea should reach back out to you tomorrow. All right. You better just copy and paste it in the chat. I'm weak. Facts. That's all he know how to say. No, I'm gonna get my stuff right though. Man, I was in Spanish 4 in high school, man. I just forgot all that stuff. I need a refresher. How long does it take to see results? You'll start seeing usually start to see results in the first 35 days. So something like this right here. I need to update all my pictures in here too. I don't have that many. I got a lot of them on my phone. A lot of them oh, this was a second round update actually. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Let me get right. That was second round update. That is not what I wanted. So something like this right here. This report of the week a couple weeks ago. So something like this, right? A couple deletions, score increase. You know what I'm saying? That's what we like to see right there. Right? A couple deletions, little score increase. Now we're getting into the rhythm of it. You know. But you can check the page. Like all this stuff is just the stuff I have saved on this tablet. If you go to my page, we post fresh reviews fresh results, fresh reviews every single day. Awesome work. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. I need an Amex and a 50K Navy Fed. Can you help with that? Well, authorized user? You know we got them we know we got them AUs on deck now too. We got them AUs on deck. Yes, sir. Need an Amex and a 50K. I'm weak. Let's go. All right, man. Well, shit, man. It's a little dry. It's a little dry in the chat today. Know the money so I can run it up. I'm weak. You see? Tell me when I can apply. Yeah, we'll tell you when you can apply, but hey, don't get approved for that Amex and go straight to and go straight to go straight to Cancun. Don't do that. Is it hard to get a Kohl's card? It's hard to get any card if you have a whole bunch of negatives on your report. But low sixes, low sixes. Bro, I know you're the truth after my first report. I know I gotta check it out. I gotta check out that first report though. I gotta check it out. I don't even see that many reports and stuff anymore. Like the team take care of all that stuff now. You know. I just step in if they need some heavy lifting. You know, so if Midland yeah, I do. If Midland tripping or something, I give them a call. You know what I'm saying? If portfolio tripping, I give them a call. You know. But other than that, man, my team handle everything. They've been trained up. They've been trained up like CIA, like Delta 6. Okay. All right, man. But this chat a little dry, y'all. My viewers are a little low. TikTok playing with me. They already then froze my screen already. You know what I mean? But all right, man. Short live today. Be back tomorrow, 10 a.m. Pacific time. 10 a.m., 1 p.m. Eastern. In a situation with the timeshare, in a situation with the timeshare, loan on time. Um, what's the situation? What's the situation? All right. Actually, Simmons, the second part is not being paid. Oh shit. I was gonna say the other person ain't doing it. So look, if you guys are both on that timeshare, man, that timeshare account, that timeshare lease, you got to tell them to pay that because that's going to go on your report too. So we got to get that handled ASAP. Trying to cheat us on time. Hey, we'll double it tomorrow. We'll double it. We'll double it tomorrow because my funding due was supposed to come up. Was supposed to come up today, and I was upset. But then you know me, man. I didn't even send the message. I said, "Hey, bro, where you at?" He said, "What are you talking about?" I said, "Bruh, check your messages." He said, "I did." I checked my messages. Yeah, it didn't. I never sent it, bro. So yeah. So he was supposed to come up and talk about the business credit and stuff. Well, maybe we'll do that on Friday though. Free game Friday. All right. But all right, y'all. Back tomorrow, 10 a.m. If you need a free consultation, just DM me the word King. It's a short live today. But I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure y'all follow me on everywhere. I just put up some new videos, all right, about the business credit stuff. So y'all can go check that out. My man got approved for 95K in 7 days. Right. I think we did Chase, Citibank, and Truist. But he got 95 and 70 and 95 in 7 days. Y'all can go check that out. Maintenance part not being paid. I'm the only person on the entire loan getting letters from them. Oh, okay. Damn. Well, it takes a lot for the maintenance stuff to like go into collections and everything. So you got a little bit of time, but yeah, we definitely need to get that handled ASAP because yeah, it sucks when another person not pulling a weight and it's affecting you. Right. That's why I'm so against co-signing, joint accounts. I'm not for none of that stuff. Okay. 2024, we don't co-sign no more. All right. Sonia, what's going on, man? I'm about to log off. I'm logging off a little bit early. All right. But I'll see y'all tomorrow, 10 a.m. Pacific time, 1 p.m. Eastern. Okay. Peace.